Hi, welcome to this uGRIDD tutorial. Today I will show you how to turn your data into an online interactive map like you see on the screen using Data2Map, a uSHOW tool. Each point represents a record of your data set. Clicking the point shows all associated information. If you have data stored in a spreadsheet like so, with various attributes including northing, easting, or latitude and longitude, you can georeference and share it using Data2Map. You may include up to 1,000 rows and 20 columns. Also, ensure your spreadsheet is cleaned up with no tab characters or carriage returns. This set also has two forms of attached data, local PDF and external link. You can upload local files by consolidating them into a zip archive and matching names to a spreadsheet field, like so. The external URLs can point to anywhere you'd like. To start, I will navigate my web browser to uGRIDD.com. This is the uGRIDD front page, which provides access to uGRIDD tools and data. To access Data2Map, find the icon on the right sidebar. On the following screen, you will see a few options and a large text box. With your set of data open in Excel, copy all cells and paste into this blank space. The top row will be your header, and this is copied from a spreadsheet, so it will be tab delimited. Click Next. In step 2, you will define the datum. This dataset is located in the city of Chicago and uses Illinois State Plane Coordinate System East. So United States SPCS, scroll down to Illinois East. If you are using latitude and longitude, select WGS84. uGRIDD provides georeferencing for over 3,000 datums and will handle user-defined local grids as well. Go ahead, click Next. Now you see your data back in spreadsheet form, where you will define the headers. One column must be defined as title, and we see that's already set. Northing, easting, and elevation have been set automatically, as you can see. All other basic information is set to text. Now here we set this to path file name because this is our linked local data, and URL is set automatically. You may preview the structure of your bubble by clicking the icon next to each record, like so. When you're ready, go ahead and click Next. Great. Now we get our first taste of what this will look like on the map. Here you can change your place mark icon. You can change the base map type. For now, I'll set this to road map. And I like this place mark icon. So let's go ahead and click Next. This is an optional step where you will upload your local data, and for our sample data set, I do have some data I'd like to upload. So let's go find that. Great, all URLs have been matched in your selected zip file. So begin upload. On step 5, you will define all metadata and accessibility constraints. First, type a page title. Map your monuments. Second, choose a discipline. For this, I'll choose Surveying GIS Mapping. Then choose a description. Next, for accessibility, you may make this data public if desired or set it to private to control who sees the map. When set to private, you will manually provide an invitation code. This code is not a password, but an authorization method for access by other users. When you're happy, go ahead and click Next. On step 6, you can review and finish your data. So here we see everything that we've entered. And I can see an example of exactly what this unique URL will look like. Again, the invitation code was uGRIDD. So authorize this account to view this data. And here we are. Our spreadsheet is now turned into this unique URL on map. And when I'm ready, I can go ahead and click Finish. And uGRIDD will generate my unique URL. And there you are. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn how to use Data2Map, a uSHOW service.